This is called a flowable silicone. See how it flows on its own. We'll do a demo again. Please have a closer look. When we extrude the silicone, it flows down. Okay, and this is oxime cure. This can take a temperature of 320 degrees Celsius continuously, and intermittently it can go up to 400 degrees C. This is typically for potting applications or encapsulation applications, and this is oxime cure, so it is very safe for electronics industry or where metal is used. This is non-corrosive in nature and environment friendly and user friendly. It doesn't smell also.